Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Peter Listener guys. So, in today's episode we've got a power bank, came with a bag, and customer brought in as well power supply, which is 19 volts and 3.42 amps. What it is that this is not working when it's plugged in, and we will add the USB meter. Yes, we don't have anything as well. No matter what I will press, it's dead. When I will plug in the cable, okay, and we'll use input, battery is starting to charge, and we've got voltage on USB ports, as well as the torch is working, and it's okay. There are different features of this blinking, but it's irrelevant. And in that case, the question is why batteries are not charging. One theory is that it was just drained, and that's it. Like no problem. So what I will do is I will open it and I will try to charge it over the bench power supply, okay? And because there are 4 deep screws here, or 6, 8, or how many? Let us check. Okay, I don't know if there is 1 or 2. It's difficult to test, to be true. No matter, let's not waste any more time. I'll open these screws, okay, and we can continue the video. So that's 1, that's 2, so that would be 8 screws in total. So I'll be right back. Okay, so all 8 screws are out. You should be able to open it. Okay, well that will do as well. So this was disconnected because this lady was having a repair attempt before us, but unfortunately nobody was able to help. So that's for the light here, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. I'll undo them, and now we need to take out this board, because we need to disconnect it. Okay, so here there is 1 more connector I see as well for the fun. Okay, so it's blocking, something is blocking here. Okay, what we're trying to do is we're trying to get to the connector which connects with the battery pack. Okay. Okay, now it's disconnected. Now the question is how to take this front panel. Going to a certain point and then it's blocking itself. Okay, there is one more plate for 4, 6 screws. I'll unscrew these screws and then I will be able to get the plastic case, and then we will have a battery pack underneath. Okay, so I remove those screws, get this plate off the way, and now I should be able to take it out. So we're not interested in this electronics at all. All we're interested is exactly this battery pack which we see here. Now the question is it worth to remove this battery pack or just charge it? I would say just charge it, and that's us. Now let's check how many volts we have. Okay, get to 20 volts should do. I think it was about 8 volts the last time we were checking it. Yeah, 881 there is, yes, so 882. So what I will do right now is I'll pause the recording and I'll try to charge it. Now the question is how much to charge it up to with my bench power supply. And to be true, we can only guess without looking at the battery design. If we can guess it properly, I mean. So what it is 3 packs here on this side. Yeah, so these packs are connected. One is here, second is here, and the third is here. Okay. Now, if we get the meter back again, that should be plus, that should be minus. So that's 4 volts. Okay, that's 4 volts. And that will be 4 volts as well. So 4 volts and 4, 6, yes. So I would say that this is not exactly what I would expect. Each of those, hold on a second. That's 18650, I would say. 18650, yeah. So that's a standard 18650, 2500 milliampere hours, and that's 3.6 volt. So that should be okay, guys. So in that case, there is enough juice. Yeah, 466. So that would be enough juice because that's connecting at the bottom. So in that case, 8 volts should be okay for this. The only problem we have that we can't open it, so we can't see how it's connected at the bottom. And that is a problem because we can only guess right now. Now the question is, can I take it out or it's impossible? Oh, maybe. There is a hole. Okay, one side let go. Yeah, we got it. Okay. So to remember, the side is 3M tape at the front and 3M at the back. So it's a bit bonkers. But we can remember that red is right and black is left when you look at the front. That's what we can remember. Okay, our heavy battery pack. Now, okay, there is a... Yes, so the voltage is proper because you can see that half of them are connected in one way and then half of them is connected the opposite way. So in that case, we can sum up these two and we can sum up these two. So we don't need anything else, guys. That's what we can calculate right now. Where is this cable? Okay. Let's put it back. And we get it back. Okay? So now what we're interested in is that we now know that these here are connected in the way that these two are one, and now these two, how to describe it the best way? There were two at the bottom. So yeah, so these and these are one, so it can have 8 volts, guys. So it's not battery discharged. So if we know that the battery is not just discharged, so we know there can be a problem with electronics. So charging these wouldn't make any sense. So in that case, the problem is here. Okay, I'll have a look and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, so I found two MOSFETs, well, looking like MOSFETs. I'll show you closer. So I've got deep ink mode at the moment. Here are those two. so they shouldn't beep in all of the configurations, so it doesn't matter red or black. On this side, yes, beeping, and the drain usually is here, yes, so this is beeping, and here as well, this is beeping, and drain. Okay, and the opposite is the same thing, yes, so, and then again against the drain they are still beeping, so, oh, this, okay, now it won't. So I need to buy them, replace them, otherwise we will have no fix, or I would have to find them somewhere. They are looking like regular MOSFETs N-type, but I might be wrong. Maybe they are P-type, or maybe these are not MOSFETs, maybe these are something else. Looking like fast transistors, pretty much. But anyways, that's it. That's everything in this video. We've diagnosed what's wrong. I will check for any other faults before placing an order for them. If I can't find them, I'll try to find a datasheet. See their specification and maybe use different ones. Maybe I can take from Xbox. Or maybe we can fix them by replacing from Xbox. So I'll record part 2 when I got them, or when I will find, you know, like proper solution for this, because I would say that's the proper solution. They shouldn't have short. So the part 2 I would record as a removing them and see if the short does exist. Okay, so I'll remove them off cam because that would take us too long. I want to have a short video, and if the short will go off, then automatically we know that the battery side should work. Okay, but I can't have beep in between, you know, those two connectors. If I won't have the beep, then that's it. I need to only order them, and that's it. Voila, should be job done. Fingers crossed, nothing else. It's faulty. Okay, but for now, that's it in this episode. Guys, if possible, please send us some likes or subscribes. Thank you for those who've done it, and if possible, let's fix them all. See you in the next part. Take care. Bye bye.